Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to do some hypnosis on you or other, and want to learn more about it? If so, this video is for you. Today we share with you books on hypnosis. Let's dive in. Book number 1. My Voice Will Go With You, by Milton Erickson. Called the most influential hypnotherapist of our time, Erickson's use of teaching tales, which through shock, surprise, with genius use of questions, playful humor, help people to see their situations in a new way. Get comfortable, set your goal, focus your gaze, begin breathing slowly and deeply. Book number 2. Transforming Therapy, A New Approach to Hypnotherapy, by Boyne. Definitive textbook outlining the advanced clinical hypnotherapy system developed and taught by Boyne over the previous 2 decades. The author focuses on solving problems by stimulating the inner creative mind. He includes techniques and complete verbatim transcripts of live therapies. Book number 3. Trancework, by Yapko. Fundamental textbook for guiding professionals in learning hypnosis, giving an overview of what is currently going on in the domain of hypnosis with a more detailed description of hypnotic methods and characteristics. These techniques have since become staple approaches to performing hypnosis on volunteers in stage hypnosis. Book number 4. Instant Self-Hypnosis, by Robbins. Blair. The only book that allows you to hypnotize yourself as you read, with your eyes wide open, without putting down the book. This will allow you to put yourself into a hypnotic state and then use that state to improve your life in myriad ways. You can try on your own or work with audio hypnosis tracks. Book number 5. Trance-formations, by John Grinder. Turns the magic of transformation through hypnosis into specific understandable procedures, some of which are useful in everyday conversation. In addition to the hows of hypnosis, the authors describe numerous important uses for this science. A great introduction to the subject, and an important reference book for hypnosis practitioners. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment, which of these books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other books on hypnosis? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked our video. Subscribe to receive our book's recommendations and tips. See you.